In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to remove all files from OneDrive but keep on PC. As you can see, I haven't got any storage left on my OneDrive, and what I want to do is I want to delete all files from my OneDrive while keeping them on my PC so that I can get some storage on my OneDrive. So to do that, firstly click on OneDrive icon from the taskbar. If you can't find OneDrive here, then tap on the upward arrow and you might find your OneDrive here. I have OneDrive here. I need to click on it. After that, click on the settings icon from the top right corner and now click on settings, and then it will open this window. Here we just need to go to the account section, and under it we'll find this option of unlink this PC. So firstly we need to make sure that our OneDrive is unlinked with our PC, then we'll be able to delete our files from OneDrive. So firstly I need to unlink it, and now click on unlink account, and there you go, I have unlinked my PC from OneDrive. Now all we need to do is open any browser in your computer and search here onedrive.com. So we just need to go to the onedrive.com website. Once you are on this website, tap on sign in and sign in here with your Microsoft account. Firstly we need to enter our email address. Once you enter it, then enter your password and tap on sign in. Once you sign in on OneDrive, we need to go to my files from the left panel, and under it you will see all of the files you have uploaded on OneDrive, and you can delete any of them. Suppose if I want to delete this one, then I just need to tap on the three dots beside it and then click on delete from here, and now confirm the deletion and your item will be deleted. Similarly, you can delete all of your files at once. For that, just tap on this check mark at the top. Once you tap on it, now you can delete all of these files at once by tapping on the three dots and then delete them. But make sure to delete them from recycle bin as well. So firstly we need to go to recycle bin after deletion, and then you can see these files are here. So we need to get rid of them from here as well, just like this. And now your storage will be cleaned from your OneDrive and it will not be linked on your PC. So this is the process. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.